3, 2, 1, go. Go.
Sure na to.
3, 2, 1, go. Go. 3, 2, 1, go.
What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during a G3 Mall tournament here in the Philippines. Today, they're back at it again. Brothers in arms go head to head to prove who's the best. They may be teammates during the PBBL, but outside of that, you know they'll be clashing on the battlefield. Give it up for D-Burst. Check out his channel and the link provided for more epic Beyblade battles. Who will win in their endless rivalry this time? Who will take home the gold? Stick around to find out. These are the combos that I use for this challenge. Impact Drake with a 760 ratchet and a rush bit. Grand Buster with a 560 ratchet and a level bit. Cobalt Dragoon with a 160 ratchet and a low rush bit. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Dito na.
Ganyan?
First day, show day.
Ay, sorry.
Paano ang bilang?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sorry. Relaunch. Yeah. Ikaw ang master. Relaunch na.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ito. Wala akong tuldok sa igit na.
Relaunch tayo. 1, go.
Ito. Wala akong tuldok sa igit na.
Relaunch tayo.
Sa'yo ba?
Wala kong muna kung sino na muna nag-boost.
Hindi ko rin ano eh.
Relaunch na lang. Garap. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Ano kasi ako nag-click eh. Second day.
Low rush for the test. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Wala pa kay DMX eh. Shit.
Wala akong nagawin battle pa sa
Ito ang mga nag-click.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Nakano ka ba?
Parang ako yung matatalo. What the shit?
First set, win.
First set. Matatalo Sige. Babaan ako. Babi ko na. Sige, okay na.
Okay na.
First violet. Red palit eh. Ay, baka mabuti.
Dragon versus go. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Sure na to.
Kita yun?
Ah.
Leaders ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Hindi, 3-2.
Ay, my bad. Sir, launcher ka po, sir? Left launcher. Tanggalin ka lang ako. Oo, hindi ka rin marunong yun.
Ayan. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ayaw nga. Uisip naman. Talo agad. First day na eh.
Three, two, one, go. Easy lang.
Thank you for the reels. Wait pa.
Second day. Ready. 3, 2, 1, go. One, go.
No? Last day. Third set, right? Talo na ako.
Panalo. Ready. And 3, 2, 1, go.
Talo.
Ako lang tunay ni Dragon King.
And that's game. The final standing is Dragon King 0, D-Burst 3. The Dragon King thought he'd keep his streak alive, but D-Burst takes the win in a landslide. He's your winner and the new Dragon King Challenge Champion. Grats! D-Burst is now leading with a score of 4-2. So, you think you can defeat the Dragon King? Do you have what it takes to become a Dragon King Challenge Champion? Drop a comment below or face me on the spot when you see me at the Beyblade tournament. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to D-Burst, and I'll see you guys on the next video.